Om Shanti and welcome to Mind Vantage. In today's episode, we will be learning how to reduce stress level or anxiety level just by practicing a very simple phenomenon called peripheral vision. Peripheral vision is how well you can see things when you're not looking at them. Stand comfortably in front of a wall and focus at a point which is above your eye level. Look at that point for some time as if you're watching a TV, and then start broadening your vision. You may lift your hands sideways and take them backwards, moving your fingers. There will be one point on each side when you will be able to see the fingers while they are moving, but you will not be able to observe them when they are still. That's the periphery of your vision. You need to practice this every day for around 5 to 10 minutes, and the results that you will be seeing is remarkable. Peripheral vision is connected to a circuit of the brain which impacts feelings and emotions. Practicing peripheral vision triggers off the parasympathetic nervous system, which deals with rest and digest, which means it helps you to calm down from stress and anxiety. You can try this, my friends, when you are broadening the vision and while you are extending or your hands backwards. You will not be able to think of any anxious moments, or you will not be able to have any thoughts in your mind. Your mind will absolutely blank. This is a very good practice even for sports people who can increase their peripheral vision, and any player who are practicing in outdoor games like cricket, football, hockey, volleyball, basketball. This is an excellent practice for them. There are some sportsmen who has got immediate results just by practicing this. As I told you, this triggers parasympathetic nervous system of your body. This helps you in slowing your heartbeat down, and this helps you in making your digestive system and metabolic systems better, thus giving you a balance of body and mind. Practicing this for 5-10 minutes will be very easy for you, and the results that you will be getting is worth it. Thank you, my friends. If you have liked this episode of mine, please practice peripheral vision to bring that balance of body and mind, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Om Shanti. Bye from Mind Vantage.